Conversational components are actually the types of messages you can send. So what we are used now is to send each other a text message, and now we already got voice messages, videos, but now there are a couple of more coming. I'm going now to one of the conversational components. This is the part of the WhatsApp Business API. So what they provide is a way to add a catalog that you can add products to your account. And the products you can sell, or you can use them to order. For example, the Order Lemon example I gave you earlier in the presentation, they use the catalogs to promote the bakery product, the croissants and the breads. Integrations available on the market with Shopify, WooCommerce, and they are very mature now. Then you actually use the Shopify platform, but there is a close integration with WhatsApp. You can create forms. It's one of the specializations of Xenio and Fernando. So to create a form, for example, an onboarding registration form, for example, or an NPS score, there are all kinds of forms you can make. They are called WhatsApp flows. So this is a small one. It's icebreaker. So when you go to a company and you have the first conversation with the company, you get directly options. What do you want? Do I want to speak a human? Do I want to schedule an appointment, for example? It's called icebreakers. Comments, I've not seen them in practice so much. There are shortcuts. Probably later on, I'm not so sure. Actually, this one is more important. This one is in development. I mean, there are a couple of companies or projects that have it. It's web pages, and it actually means that you can open a website within WhatsApp. It's called web views. Well, and this will change everything. When this is public, it will change everything. So you can use a website within WhatsApp. I mean, for example, it can be payment pages, it can be ordering pages, it can be your web shop, it opens I think when this is public, it completely changes the functionality of WhatsApp. I've seen it in practice. There is one corporation, and there is its a screenshot from the Delhi Transport Corporation in India, and they sell metro tickets via this way. So I think this will completely change the landscape.
Yeah, I want to add something. If you let me on top of this, for example, in my agency, we receive clients that are using Telegram. They are implementing the full journey inside WhatsApp, using something similar to web views or web page, as you even said, and they want to do the same in WhatsApp. Unfortunately, at this moment, WhatsApp is not allowing us to do something like that. This is underdeveloped. We see several things there. One, Telegram is, in average, 1 year ahead of WhatsApp. So they have web views from 1 year ago. The other thing that we see is that right now we are working a lot with forms, flows, WhatsApp flows, because it's the way that we have to implement something similar to this. But WhatsApp forms are extremely complicated to develop with. In my personal opinion, when web views or web page inside WhatsApp are available already, I think WhatsApp forms or flows are going to be deprecated, because we don't see any good reason to keep working with WhatsApp flows if we can work with web views, where you can read whatever you want in the way you want, and everything is going to be running inside WhatsApp.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is probably the most important part of the webinar also, but it's not still public. It's not available here. Kevin, I'll come back to your question in a couple of minutes. Payments. Yeah, it's also, this works in India, Indonesia, Singapore. It's a connection with banks, so you can pay within WhatsApp without leaving WhatsApp. So it's in how do you say that? Alpha, beta. It's being tested. When will it be here? Don't know. In a year? I don't know. I'm not sure, but this is also very important. So